Hi JAFRA beauties! I am so excited for today's tutorial. We are going to be exploring brows and how to accomplish a fast, easy, and flawless brow look using 3 of my favorite JAFRA brow products. First things first, with the JAFRA eyebrow brush, I'm going to comb through my eyebrow hairs, making sure to brush the hairs up and out like this, not straight across. This helps to frame and prep the eyebrows to be filled. Next, I'll start with the JAFRA Brow Pomade, and I will fill in the brow using either the eyeliner side of the JAFRA double-ended eyeliner lip brush or the small pomade brush that comes with the JAFRA pomade. First, I'll apply a small amount of the pomade onto the desired brush and clean off the edges of the brush onto the rim of the pomade container, helping to control the amount of product I have on my brush. Next, with feather-like strokes, I will begin to outline the shape of my eyebrow, and then I will lightly start filling in the eyebrow to give fullness. I will continue adding more product onto my brush and continue to layer or shape the brow until I get my desired look. Now, with the same brow brush, I'm going to brush out any harsh strokes from the pomade and blend, focusing on the inner corner of the brows. Moving on to the JAFRA Brow Pencil. Again, with light, feather-like strokes, I'm going to define any part of my eyebrow that still needs connecting or defining. This also adds a natural element of dimension to the look of the eyebrows. Lastly, my absolute favorite brow product, the Brow Lift. This product cleans the whole look up and helps to accentuate the eyebrow arch, giving a more awake and polished finish. Using the flat side of the Brow Lift pencil, I'm going to softly apply the product by feathering it on under the brow arch. Then, either with my finger or a flat foundation brush, I'm going to blend it out into my base. And there you have it. I can guarantee that after mastering these few steps, you'll have the best brows in town and everyone asking you how they can accomplish the same amazing brows as you.